Hi guys, as you saw in thumbnail, today I am going to prepare chicken biryani in my electric rice cooker. You will not believe this method will be very useful and time saving for those who are staying alone in rooms. Cooking biryani is not a robotic science. I will show you the simple way of making biryani. First, let me show you the main ingredients to prepare it. If you are cooking for the first time, better keep everything ready before you start. The spices required are 2 spoons of chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste and salt as per your taste. And the main ingredients are 1 big chopped onion and 1 tomato, chopped mint and coriander leaves, 2 green chilies chopped straight, 1 lemon, 3 cloves, 2 cinnamon pieces and a cup of curd. Now comes our main ingredient, chicken and 2 cups of basmati rice soaked in water for 30 minutes. Now we are perfectly ready to start cooking, but before jumping into it, let me introduce myself. I am Issac, music composer, singer doing my own album. If you love music, do check out my music channel and subscribe it, which is mentioned in the description. As I am passionate about cooking, do subscribe and watch my cooking videos in this channel. Switch on the rice cooker and pour oil into it. Once the oil gets heated, put the cloves, cinnamon sticks, green chilies and the chopped coriander and mint leaves. Then add the chopped onion and fry it until it turns light brown. Now add the chopped tomato, then chicken. Now it's time to add the spices, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder and salt. Mix them well, then add the curd and squeeze the lime juice into it and again mix them all well. For 1 cup of basmati rice, add 1.5 cup of water. As I have taken 2 cups of rice, I am adding 3 cups of water. Once the water starts to boil, add the rice into it and mix it well. Finally, put the remaining mint and coriander leaves on the top and close the lid of the rice cooker. Leave it for 5 minutes until it gets completely cooked. Now it's time to open the rice cooker. Wow, it's perfectly cooked. Come, let's taste the biryani. Trust me, the biryani is really awesome. Do try it out and post your experience in comment section. Thank you guys, that's it for today. We'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, it's a bye from Issac.